music, no charge to demonstrate Benjamin Franklin's glass harmonica.
Really? It's ice? Oh no, it's water.
This is quartz crystal with water on it. What's your favorite type of music?
I don't know that I really have any.
Nobody? How about Are You Going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. He once was a true love of mine. Benjamin Franklin's glass harmonica, invented in 1761. My name is Vera Meyer, and I've been playing this instrument since 1983, believe it or not, a long time. I saw in 1983 on the street in Harvard Square in Cambridge, Massachusetts, a man playing 70 wine glasses, and I fell in love with the sound of glass music. When you rub a wet finger around a wine glass, it makes a tone, a very haunting and ethereal tone. And I then went and developed or bought about 12 glasses at a local glass store and built my own set of what's called the musical glasses and started playing. And then within a month, by some coincidence, I heard about the one man in the world who was building the original Benjamin Franklin style instrument, and he lived in the Boston area. So I contacted him, and this was one of the first instruments he ever built. Benjamin Franklin's favorite invention.
Okay.
Oh, really? Let's see. What can I play? Where are you from?
We're Korean.
You like Korean music?
We don't know too much about it, but 아리랑, Oh yeah. Beautiful. Thank you.
Laissez parler d'amour, gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour, gens du pays, c'est votre tour de vous laisser parler d'amour. L'harmonique de l'art, invention de M. Benjamin Franklin, 1731. Ici. Welche Stadt?
Frankfurt.
Ah. Gedanken sind frei, wer kann sie fliegen vorbei. Kein Mensch kann sie wissen, kein Jäger erschießen, es bleibt dabei. Die Gedanken sind frei. Das nennt sich Glasharmonika 1761 von Benjamin Franklin erfunden. It just is the glue that binds people together, I think, and that I'm attracted to the whole idea of respecting people from every country in the world, especially in these polarizing times where it just seems like everybody hates everybody else. It's just like I so much try for the opposite. It's the only way I can stay sane in my life. I think it can unite people and see make people feel that there's a commonality, a human connection between everybody in their appreciation of beautiful music. And we don't have to, we can appreciate what binds us together, not what separates us. Quelque chose la cause that song. I would like to let people know that this instrument exists, and I would like to share my joy in playing it with them to create a circle of joy. All artists like to see people pleased and happy, and it's my pleasure to see people happy and smiling based on what I show them. It fulfills me. Maybe it's kind of hokey and trite and cliche, but that's the reality. And I'm going to play for you the very beautiful national anthem of Kenya. We all have to sing along. Little joke.
Don't try me.
Oh, okay.
I know the words. I don't know.
Oh, that's it. It is the one.
You had any doubt?
No.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I could tell all over your face you had doubt. I could tell. Don't lie to me. Oh, you thank you very much.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.